The things I do for clients. Oh, thankfully they had a little step ladder. Saving deals, bleaching wells. That's today's video. And I get to crawl into this well pit right here, pop the cap off the well, dump some bleach in it. Then I gotta run it through the house, let it sit for 24 hours, and then we gotta flush it all out. And we got a retest coming in a couple of days, and we're supposed to close the same day we're gonna get the results back. We've already pushed closing once, and I'm here in Damascus on Kingstead. So it seems pretty deep. Really not looking forward to this part, but let's go bleach a well. The things I do for clients. Oh, thankfully they had a little step ladder. Gotta get my tools. Nope, that didn't work. Let's bring it down in the hole with me, shall we? I got to pop all of these bolts off, pop the cap, pour some bleach in it, and then that should take care of that. So let's see if we can get these bolts off, because they don't look like they've ever been turned. Oh, come on, don't do that. That one doesn't want to turn. Should have brought a blowtorch or something to loosen these suckers up. Come on now. This is not good. As if I shear these bolts or strip them, that's a bad thing. Yeah, that's not going to work. All right. Plan B. There's a little hole right here where the wires come in. So we're going to try that. But it's just this simple. You pour bleach down the well. We'll go inside and run some water. Here's an interesting bug. And the key is not to pour too much in. About a half a gallon will do it. And that should about do it. All right. We got our bleach in the well. Now we got to go inside and turn the water on until we smell it. Yeah, if you know somebody who's looking for an agent that'll crawl in a hole, call me. Now I got to figure out how to get myself out and get the ladder out. All right, I think I got it. Come on. Success. Let's go run some water. So now we just run a bunch of water until we can smell the bleach. Once we smell the bleach, then we have to let it sit for 24 hours. After that, then we have to flush it all out, because if they come back to retest and there's still chlorine in it, it's a failed test, and then we have to do it all over again. So I'm gonna turn a bunch of water on and wait till I smell it. All right, I got the smell of the bleach through the water. Now we gotta let it sit for 24 hours. Then the homeowner gets the fun challenge of running it out all day Sunday. So 24 hours from now, we turn the water back on and start flushing all the bleach back out. Test on Monday, and fingers crossed we get some clear results so we can close on Tuesday.